Yo guys, Kit here, and this is Stay Slick with Kit, a channel dedicated to help you with all your dating needs and craves. And today's video is all about how to make a guy go crazy for you in the sheets. And make sure you stay to the end, because the last point is the secret sauce that most people miss out that really gets him addicted to you. Because what you do is, just wait. So the first thing that has a really powerful effect on the guy is to start things slow. Really take your time. Take your time kissing him, take your time caressing him, take your time getting his clothes off. And obviously when I say take your time, I don't mean, take 20 minutes just to kiss him and then 10 minutes per item of clothing to get off. I mean, by the time he's naked, he'll be dreaming about all the amazing sex that you didn't have. Just make sure to keep it moving, but just take it at a slower pace. It's all about building his tension, building the excitement. Now, as he gets excited, he's gonna want to rush into things, but you set the pace. Slow him down. And like I said, it has to be a continuous progression. So if you start kissing on the lips, and then you might nibble a bit of the ear, and then you might go to the neck, and then you might go to the chest, you see where this is going. And then onto his abs. But then don't go from kissing down his abs to then back kissing up here, because it's just gonna kill his anticipation. Because the second he feels your lips towards his belly button, he's anticipated, to feel your lips somewhere else. Ladies, just know that if you start kissing below our chest, we're gonna be anticipating a Barry Johnson. Barry Johnson, I literally just pulled that out of thin air. So a good tip for you, if you don't wanna do that, don't kiss any lower than his neck. The next thing that guys really like in the bedroom is if he does something you like, then tell him. When a girl whispers in a guy's ear, "Oh, I love it when you X, Y, and Z," that just, it does something to us. It makes us more eager to please you. It makes us want to be more attentive to your needs. And it's also a really great way of directing him to what you do like. Which brings me on to my next point, is activate his alpha mode. There's something that switches in a guy during sex. It's very primal. It's like that alpha 8 just comes out from inside us. And it will take sex for you to the next level. And to activate this alpha mode, you have to start increasing the intensity of what you're doing. So if you were kissing him softly before, start biting his lip. If you were slowly stroking him before, start grabbing onto him. If you do the first step and then build into this, that switch is gonna come like that. And then when it happens, embrace it, accept it, surrender to it. Nothing makes a guy feel more like a man than being the dominant alpha in the room. And nothing makes him feel more like an alpha than playing the masculine role during sex. So allow him to initiate some control. Allow him to steer the wheel of the ride. Yes, that pun was intended. Now this next part puts the ack in crack. This is what gets him addicted to you in the bedroom. If you're liking this video so far, let me know by hitting that like button. The secret sauce, ladies, is to switch and take control. Now some of you might be thinking, that's not a secret, loads of women take control. But a lot of women take control at the beginning. I'm talking the switch is what's important here. Timing is everything, because it shows that not only does he feel like an alpha with you, but that you're an alpha as well. But at what point do you make the switch? What point do you take over from the wheel? Well, that part is up to you. When you feel you want to, maybe when you feel that he might be losing a bit of a rhythm, when he's getting a little bit tired, and he'll be happy to let you take some control because you've allowed him the space to be dominant. But now it's your turn, and feel free to manhandle him a bit, or woman handle him. And then you'll get into this rhythm of where sometimes you're in control, then sometimes he's in control. It just becomes like a dance. And like any dance, you're gonna get hot and sweaty. For more things on guys, girls, and dating, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And as always, keep it slick.
Pow.